Hello, in this video I will show you how to use Rabby wallet on Android. Now, it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is firstly install the application on your Android, then sync it with your application on your browser. Now once you will do that, you will find the interface something like this. Now, the application itself is very easy to use. Like for example, you will have few basic functions. Like the first one over here, you can send Bitcoin or you can send crypto. You can send crypto or any other cryptocurrency that you have in your account. The second one is again very simple. If you choose this option, you can receive crypto. So let's say for example, if you want to receive crypto from Base, choose Base. Then just simply confirm this. Now you will be given an address right over here and a QR code. Now what you can do is you can just simply provide the address or the QR code to the person, or you can just simply do it yourself on the other account that you have crypto on. Like for example, you can copy and paste this address on Binance to transfer your crypto from Binance to Rabby wallet or any other wallet or exchange. Or if anyone else is giving you the crypto, you can simply give them the info. Now the third option over here is swap. So if you click on this option, you can swap any crypto to any crypto. Like for example, if you have Ethereum, so if you click on Ethereum, and then you can swap to a bunch of cryptos like Peepcoin, USDT and a lot more. Now you can also change the chain over here at the top to get different results. Like for example, if you go to Base, you will get different type of token. So choose Base Ethereum. Now over here you will be able to see the different type of tokens. Like this one right over here, you can swap Ethereum to this token. Now, depending on the chain that you have chosen, the crypto will vary. So just keep that in mind. As you can see right over here, the crypto will vary. Now, the last option is the more option where it have few basic features like approvals and gas top-ups. Over here, you can see the gas prices, and if you want to do a gas top-up, you can also do this right over here. You can use different chains as well. You will have the option. Now, at the bottom again, you will have few options like the home page where you are currently right now, the app space where you can explore popular applications. Like for example, as you can see right over here, there are a lot of applications that you can try, like swap application, exchange application, and a lot more. And over here at the very end, you will have the airdrop or Rabby points page where you can earn airdrop points to get rewards. Now at the top, you will also find few options. Like for example, the first option is tokens. Under here, you will find all the tokens. On the DeFi, you will find all the DeFi applications that you can use. And lastly, you will have your nifts right over here. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.